Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create high converting video ads for your Shopify or your e-commerce store with Creatify AI. Very powerful. We'll jump right into it. And creating high converting e-commerce videos, it's incredibly important. I'm going to show you the right way to do it. And great videos are 100% required if you want to run profitable ads. You're just not going to have the same ad results if you were going to use a static photo as opposed to a beautiful, engaging custom video. If you want to run profitable ads, you need videos. And this doesn't matter if you're selling t-shirt print on demand or drop shipping, digital products, custom products, personalized items. It doesn't matter. Great videos boost sales. They're 100% required. And a popular strategy right now is to use AI to quickly and easily create high converting, engaging short videos for your e-commerce brand. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And when you want to implement this strategy, you might run into some pain points. First of all, there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. You're going to need to use an app. There's no built-in video creator or anything like that with Shopify or with really any of the ad platforms. You need to go ahead and create this on your own using an app. And the app needs to be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. You don't need to be some type of expert or programmer or videographer. You'll be able to use this app very easily. And most importantly, the app must allow for custom branding so you could match your brand's look and feel and create videos in bulk so you could save a ton of time while producing tons and tons of assets for your business. And if you want to do this the right way, you're going to use Creatify. This is what I use. This is what I highly recommend. And you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to show you exactly how easy Creatify is. We're going to go over the shoulder into my account. I'll actually walk you through exactly what you need to do there. But you see the link directly below this video. I want you to check it out. Click on that link. You'll be able to jump right into Creatify. I'm going to show you the site now. And you're looking at creatify.ai. You see the link directly below this video. And this is by far the fastest way to create short video ads. Creatify is an AI-powered app that generates really high-quality, engaging, and high-converting marketing videos, ad videos, based on a simple product link or description. It's incredibly easy. It leverages AI. I'm going to show you exactly how this works when we go inside my account. And you can take a look at some of the amazing videos that were created with Creatify and see that it's trusted by thousands of brands. You see Poshmark, Kodak, Realm, some really big names on there. And this is all about generating those videos that are going to be highly engaging, that are going to get people to actually go ahead and stop when they're scrolling in their, let's say, Facebook news feed or TikTok feed. And they're actually going to go ahead and click on your ads because they're super engaging and they're high converting. And this is really all about having the marketing assets ready to go in place at any time. And you could also create these in bulk, really all about having a hook, a body, and a call to action, really keeping things simple, but having these AI-generated videos that are all about engagement and conversion, right? Not just about looking pretty, but about increasing your ROI. That's the name of the game. We want to increase our return on investment by testing more ads with less effort, and that's what Creatify is going to allow you to do. Incredible bulk creator that is also available inside of here. You're going to get more leads. You're going to get higher return on investment, and this is 90% cheaper than UGC ads, user-generated content ads. You're going to be able to create them yourself at any time. And again, I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. All you need to do, again, click on that link directly below this video. You'll be able to generate your first ad for free. Go ahead and click here to sign up. We're going to jump into my account here. I have a little account set up over here to show you exactly what you can expect when you come into Creatify. And it's a really powerful backend over here. You see that we're on the Create section. And a really cool thing here is the Learning Center. This is going to allow you to jump in here and see exactly what's going on, see exactly how step-by-step to kind of create everything. But I'm going to show you just how simple this is. It's incredibly powerful. You can watch the tutorial. They have great step-by-step help videos and things like that, but it's very easy. URL to video ad maker. Basically what we're going to do is have a product link. And I'm going to go to one of my stores. I'm going to take one of my favorite products in there, and we're going to create a video based on it. All you need to do is copy and paste a link. Incredibly powerful. We'll come over here, right? You see over here, Creatify supports, right? We got Amazon, we've got, of course, Shopify, which is what we're going to do. But you see, it supports a lot more as well. Etsy, eBay, WordPress, Wix, right? App stores. So really powerful, right? You put any link you want over here. So I'm going to come over here and I will load up my one of my stores here, and we will go ahead and pick one of our top products. Go over here, and I'm copying the link, and I'm going to simply paste it right inside here. Okay, and you can click upload manually if you wanted to do something that didn't have a link, or if you wanted to just kind of upload your own offline stuff, but this is really the best thing. We're going to click Analyze URL, and immediately it's going to go ahead and find the media, right? 8 images selected. What images are these? Well, these are the images from my product page automatically being pulled off into Creatify. How's it getting the product description? Well, it's pulling it directly from the page. Of course, same thing with the product name. We're able here to add a logo here if we wanted to as well. We'll come down here and click Next. Right, now we have the video settings. Where are we going to be showing this? Do we want to have a vertical video? Do we want to have a horizontal video? Do we want to have a square video? Right, you have all these different options over here. Video length, 15, 30, 60 seconds. For apparel, I've really had a lot of success with 15 and 30 seconds, but you can really test this out. Target audience, this is really cool. So we're going to come over here, and in this case, we're going to put car lovers, because this happens to be part of the niche that we're in. So we could put car lovers, we could put cars, we could put auto, right? Whatever you want to put over here to kind of give a good keyword for what's going to be going on inside of your niche, right? This is really great for niche stores. This is optional. You don't need to put it in here, but kind of the more information we provide Creatify, the better. So we're just going to take a look at our settings real quick. We're going to go with the square video, 15 seconds, target audience for cars, and of course, English for our language here. And now it's going to go ahead and actually generate this whole entire setup here for us right before your eyes. And the cool thing here is that we are given so many options, right? This isn't just going to spit out something and then hope you like it. You're going to have lots of input. So over here we have an AI script. We could also have do-it-yourself, of course, but we're going to do one of these AI scripts. And really what we want to do is just kind of hear the voice or match up the voice to our brand. Do we want to have a story time type hook and angle? Do we want to get emotional about it? Do we want to just have discovery, right, in terms of kind of showcasing new things? Do you want to have something motivational, right? That might not really be very relevant in this case. You could generate more scripts to get some more, but I really like the story time angle over here. I think it's cool. It's definitely kind of on brand as well, so I'm going to click select over here. And we're going to go next. Now we're going to generate a storyboard and avatar. This is really cool. This is kind of the magic sauce. The reason that I use Creatify, you're going to see it in action right over here. And this is one of the best parts of the entire platform. And obviously, as you see here, I'm not recording anything. I'm not hiring any models. I'm not uploading any voiceovers or anything like that. We're going to have it all over here right in this option. You see our avatar is already created. And we have different options, visual styles, green screen effect, vanilla. These are really cool, especially when you want to showcase the product. You see here, the avatar is kind of small and the product is big, right? When you want to sell a t-shirt or something like that, of course, you want to showcase the design. But maybe you really want to build trust, and you could show side by side where you have the product next to the avatar. You have lots of different options over here. And as we come in over here, we could even change things like the voice. We could swap out the avatar.
Hey everyone, story time. I never knew a tee could mean so much until I got my birds in the air shirt. Wearing it feels like a hug. It's super soft and lasts forever. Seriously, get yours from a worldwide WOB official store. Trust me, it's a game changer. Hey.
So really powerful there, right? And we have things that we could change. We could turn music on or off. We could do different avatars over here in terms of finding other different people that might better suit this niche. And this does happen to be maybe a more male populated niche over here. I know that because I run this store, so we do have a lot more male customers than female. So maybe I want to go and change the avatar. So I can come over here and go to the avatar section and select someone that might more fit this niche. And of course, you could test this out. You could say, okay, maybe I have one ad with a female avatar, one ad with a male avatar, one with a younger person, one with maybe an older person, and we have the video generated just like that. Same idea here.
Hey everyone, story time. I never knew a tee could mean so much until I...
Right, so we have this type of setup over here. I'm kind of like going like this so I can really show the product over here.
Hey everyone, story time. I never knew a tee could mean so much until I... Hey everyone, story time. I never knew a tee could mean so much until I got my birds in the air shirt. Wearing it feels like
different views, different kind of looks. Right, so this gives a more edited look. You got the top and bottom split as well. But I'm going to go with the vanilla one. I really like this one. Highly recommend it for anything with apparel when you want to show the detail of the product.
We're going to turn music off just because I want to, but we can keep it on if we wanted to. We have different options basically to change the video. And when we're done, we're simply going to select render. And you see that this is going to say, okay, it's going to take your credits over here and blah, blah, blah. And we'll just render with the watermark for now. But when you have your paid account, of course, you'll get all of these videos ready to go, ready to upload immediately. Different videos will cost different credits depending on how much. And you see that this one cost me 5 credits over here. And you see your balance over here. You could top up at any time right inside here. So this is going to be rendering, just going to take a minute or so with this nice HD video. When we get this out, we're going to have the file. We'll be able to do anything like post it on our website, post it in social media, or of course, run our ads on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, right? Totally ready to go right then. So this video is now ready to go. You can come over here and load that video. Of course, here's the video that we had finalized here. We can come back and edit. Let's say something didn't come out the way that we wanted. And when we're ready to go, we will just simply click the download button. It's going to download that file, just like any other video file you would have, like when you're creating ads. You'll then be able to upload this in your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, of course, social media, put it even on the product page or on the home page, right? Make it a testimonial type thing. Lots of different ways to do that. And it's just really, really cool. You could also share this with members of your team. If you want to come over here, copy the video link, and then you could upload it directly into your ads platform, just making it as easy as possible. Coming over here, clicking Connect Ads Platform, and go ahead and connect your TikTok ads. You'll literally be able to upload this in one click. So couldn't be any easier. Highly recommend it. When you have that premium plan, you see over here $27 a month, $135 a month, gets you different numbers of videos, just depending on how many videos that you need over here. You'll be able to upgrade your plan. You'll be able to do custom avatars. You'll be able to do bulk creation. Creatify, really incredibly powerful. You saw I created this video in just a matter of minutes. All I did was copy and paste the link. Couldn't get any easier than that. So make sure you click the link directly below this video. I highly recommend Creatify. Get this into your business. Start creating those awesome AI videos and watch your ads perform at a much higher level. Watch your conversion rate increase and watch more sales come in, because you're truly captivating your potential customers with these AI-driven videos. Something I really like in here, if we go to the My Avatars section, you're going to see something really cool. This is going to allow you to build your own avatar, and you can actually film yourself speaking, and it's going to turn you into your own avatar. Incredibly powerful. You see the kind of details over here in terms of what to do. You just want to literally take footage of yourself, and we'll kind of walk through this. Very easy. You could upload your own image. You look just literally, your own video. Just take it on your iPhone. Go ahead and upload it over here, and you'll be able to transform yourself into your own avatar. Another awesome feature in here, batch mode. Talked about this before. This is going to allow you to literally generate dozens of videos for your product all at once. All you need to do, just like before, you could upload manually, but just put in your link over here. It's going to create multiple variations of your video. I'll go ahead and do another example over here. We'll grab a product. I'll take this one, and you just need to get the URL. So I'll take this, and I'll take the URL, bring it right over here, paste this in. It's going to analyze and immediately pull out the information. Of course, just like before, we can change it over here. We're going to give all of the settings in terms of how we want these videos to be. This is for all of the videos. Now we're going to go ahead and create or pick different styles. Go ahead and select a couple different styles over here. Pick our avatar. And we'll go over here. It's going to tell us how many credits will be required. It's going to create a bunch of videos for us. 24 videos, as you see right over here. And you see the count updating as you kind of go through here. If you want more variations, right, you can click on more avatars or different scenes, and you see here's our kind of script, and here is our style, and here are our avatars. So picking through those, you'd be able to literally create as many as you want. Very powerful here. You can get 50 videos at a time. Think about how much testing you'd be able to do there, and you could even do your own script here as well. So it's exactly the way that you want. Really, Creatify has thought of everything here. It's got everything fully taken care of. Another cool part, you can even pick the accent that you want. English, American, Nordic, for example. Really cool to give your brand more credibility. So I hope this helps you out, helps you make some money. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a good one, and I'll talk to you real soon.